Hey there, my name is Chad and I am an online ESL teacher and the principal tax return preparer for tax preparation services. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an online EFTPS account at EFTPS.gov. An EFTPS account allows you to pay your quarterly taxes online. Electronic payments have no fees, they're fast, simple, and they're actually the IRS preferred way to pay your estimated quarterly taxes. For those of you who are new to paying quarterly taxes for being self-employed, here's a quick rundown. Since you're self-employed, you are responsible for paying your own Social Security and Medicare taxes. If you will end up owing more than $1,000, then you are required to make estimated quarterly tax payments. But only if you owed more than $1,000 the previous year. If you didn't owe more than $1,000 in taxes last year, you don't need to make quarterly payments. But I personally would suggest doing so because it helps make sure there aren't any big end-of-the-year tax surprises. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started. So I'm already on the website, but you would just type in EFTPS.gov and push enter. So if this is your first time using the system, we need to create a login. So go ahead and click on the Enroll button. And the first section is Start. Let's get started. We have to accept the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act. You can read through that if you'd like. And we will enroll as an individual. If we have an LLC, single member LLC, we would also choose to enroll as an individual. If your LLC was taxed as an S Corp, you would enroll as a business. And I'll talk more about LLCs and S Corp tax election in a different video. So here we enroll, we enter our personal information, social security number, name, and if you wanted to, you could add joint filer information. It's not necessary. You don't need to. And go ahead and fill in the rest of the contact information and the bank account that you'll be using to make your electronic funds transfers from. So then we would click Review, make sure everything's correct in the review section, and we would go ahead. There's a page to, there's a spot to sign your electronic signature. Type in your name, click Accept the Agreement, and push Complete. So you'll actually have to wait now for about a week for your paper mail copy of your PIN to show up in your mailbox. And after you've gotten that PIN in the mail, you can go ahead, go back to the home screen, EFTPS.gov. You can click Make a Payment, or you can click Login. It takes you to the same page, and you'll actually need a password. So you click on Need a Password, you verify your social security number, and you'll enter the PIN that came in the mail. So this is my letter from EFTPS, and on it has your PIN number, and it also has your enrollment number. So you could either verify with your bank information or the last 8 digits of your enrollment number. You would then click Next. It takes you to the page where you're allowed to create your password, 8 to 12 characters long, special characters, all that fun stuff. And then after you've created your password, we can finally go back to logging in. So you click in the login page, type in your social security number, and you'll need that PIN for every time you log in. So it's a good idea to save that somewhere that's easily accessible, like in a document on your desktop or sticky notes or something. And that is all for creating and logging into your EFTPS.gov account.